Okay. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jason. I work at All Out Bikes, and what we're doing right now is we are making a house call. Now, we don't normally do house calls, but this is a special customer. His name's Mike, and he is unfortunately, he's got himself hurt, and he's not able to drive a car or anything. He lives about, it's probably about 8 miles away, and he has no means of transportation. And yeah, of course he'll call an Uber. He'll get a taxi and he'll go places, but he really doesn't need to where he's at because he's in a not bad location. But he loves riding his bike. And whenever I say bike, this is actually one of those recumbent trikes because unfortunately his balance is not the best, and he's not able to walk very well just because he did get hurt really bad. What we're going to be doing is he called up just a minute ago, and he wants me to come by and fix his flat so he can ride his bike. So that's what we're doing right now is we are heading over there. But the first thing I need to do is I need to stop off and get some gas. And then we're going to go ahead and head over to his place and see if we can get him fixed up. Yes.
I'm so sorry. I was trying to get you out, and I just went there yesterday, and I got to the bus, I ended out of gas, and I don't want you anywhere. Is there any way you can help us? I'm sorry.
I think I just put my. Well, I don't know.
I'm so freaking sorry.
You're talking to somebody who doesn't have much money.
I'm so, you know what?
So you know what? I've got $9. That's all I've got.
Are you sure you want to do? No, you don't have to do that. I mean, really.
Well, I'm not out of gas. So.
Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you.
I
really appreciate it.
No problem. I'm already down $9, but I don't know if she really. I'm sure she needed the money. I hate to think that she's anyway, whatever. Now that we've got gas and all the tools that we need to do the job, we're going to head on and get this flat fixed. I'll see you there. Okay, so here we have a very nice TerraTrike Rambler. This has seen some better days, but this thing is a great trike. Rides great, really fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this tube replaced. First, we have to find out what caused the flat. Now, I've got everything I need. I have my tube right here. I've got some tire levers, and we're going to put some slime inside of this just to help prevent him from, having to give me a call to fix a flat. So we're going to go ahead and undo this tire. Let's remove the tube and see where the slime was leaking out. Oh man, it is everywhere. So what I'm trying to find is I'm trying to find a really our spot where the slime was leaking out of, and I am having trouble. It's everywhere. It is everywhere. Okay, this is going to be bad. Let's go ahead and try to put some air in this thing and see where the hole is. This is a bad idea. It's got slime in it, and if it starts squirting out everywhere, it's going to be really messy. Up there it is. Right exactly where my finger was. Okay, so right by the valve. It looks like it was just caused from low air pressure. Oh, yeah, he's been riding this thing with low air pressure. But I'm still going to inspect the tire and make sure that there's not an actual hole. And it just looks like it rubbed a hole through the tube. So I'll let Mike know that he just needs to keep that air pressure up. Okay, so let's get this tube. We're going to remove the valve core. I didn't bring my valve core tool, so I'm having to use an adjustable wrench, which is fine. It does work. Let me get my Presta-Valve adapter, which doesn't work really great on here. I have to kind of push it on there because I'm using the slime. So let's go ahead and get this slime mixed up really good. I like to shake it up. And give it a couple of pumps, make sure everything's working freely. Starting to get a little low on this stuff. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're giving them a little extra slime. So I'm going to hold this on while pumping it in. All right, let's try this. It's probably going to make a mess, but we'll find out. Yeah, we put a little bit much in there. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of air in this thing. Wait, did I get this thing actually tight? I did. And let's put a little bit of air in here, and we'll just let Mike know that it got a hole in it due to, it looks like low air pressure. So, because it looks like a hole was rubbed through the tube. I'm saying that because he's actually behind the camera. So, all right, let's get this tire put back on. We're going to put the tube in place. Okay, put this tire back on. No tools required, because it actually fits on there pretty easily, which means that you've got to be careful when you're airing it up, otherwise the tube is going to blow off the rim or the tire. So we're going to keep the pressure off. Okay, let's get this thing aired up to 60. '60 is good and firm. Lock the Presta valve back closed. Install the lock nut. And then let's go ahead and air up the rest of the tires. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do on this, we're going to loosen up the little nut here. It's hissing. We're going to put this on, and it is low. It's down to 30 psi, so we're going to take it up to 60. Now, unfortunately, sometimes if it's been ridden a lot low, whenever we take it up to 60, we might hear the tube go bad. So we're going to tighten this nut back down, and we're going to check the back tire. Let's see how much air is in the rear tire. We're down to 20, 22.
Oh, man.
Let's take it up to 60.
So, when you walk up to the bike, and I've been down on the back tire, and I pinched the tire,
Yes.
that doesn't really have much to do with the air pressure, does it?
Well, if you can squeeze it, if it starts feeling a little soft at all, then yeah, that's a low air pressure. Because see, this is good and firm right now. So, unfortunately, you have to air up the tires on a regular basis. So, I mean, as in, like, after 2 weeks, it's really too low to ride. Well, if y'all enjoyed the video, please leave me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your friends. Check out some of the other videos on the corner of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Okay.